is definitely the most inquisitive, this one. She took herself off up here. She was the first one to come up here.
She's the tiniest one as well.
Yeah, she's the bravest one. Oh, lovely. I've just put my new handbag on chicken food.
That's all right. You have a few of those, but...
Yes.
Good Jackie.
This one's digging its way out, ain't it?
Look at the little bottom.
Yeah.
And what about the other girls? Are you alright? Having a lovely time, aren't you? Look at that. Doing what they should be doing. First time ever. This one's a bit nervy in the under the cover roof.
Yeah, she ain't come out at
No.
all.
I'm going to get out in a minute and get Jackie out. We'll just leave them to get themselves in it for a bit. Just give them a bit of time to have on their own now.
They've just dug their personal holes, haven't they?
Yeah.
They might nest in them, they might be digging a nest.
I think it's the first time ever, first time ever they've been outside. And this one over here, she's a bit nervy.
This one's not nervy, she's just nosy.
This one in the corner is.
She's just nosy, this one. That's Shelley. I've named her.
Oh, yeah, we got a... Oh, she's having a pee. No.
Who's having a pee?
That's the little one, isn't it? What's she got? How they get on? This is such a treat, isn't it? Having trouble eating the grit. Imagine, Ruth, they've been on this the entire life. And how long did it take them to do what they do naturally? What's instinct, isn't it, Bob?
Well, they've through the gone now, they haven't found, haven't they?
No. Look at it, they've got all this lovely bark to poke around in. They're all holding their feet up if you look, all of them. It's a bit cold out here, isn't it?
It's quite cold out here.
Yeah, they've been stuck in our shed forever. It is a bit cool actually for them. It might be wise to put that bit of wood against there. It's stuck because it's coming through from down there.
Oh, I can't see it.
Yeah, well, they got this bit. See like more than what they do. You alright, girls? Alright. Oh,
Noisy, Daddy.
yeah. It's fine, you know. Look, you run under the cupboard.
She.
Yeah, so one's a little bit poorly, isn't she? That one over there.
Maybe not poorly, maybe just a little bit
Draggled.
Yeah.
There you go.
They've all been vetted and they've all been inoculated.
Right, shall we leave and go and have a cup of tea now?